Hello, this is Paul Nelson, Western Sport Floors, coming to you today from Eau Claire, Wisconsin. I am at Revolution Manufacturing.
Paul?
With Mr. Jerry Brainerd.
Yes.
Jerry, you're the owner of this company, Revolution Manufacturing, for a good number of years, 20 plus.
Oh yeah, 28, 29.
28, 29 years, you've been doing drums for the hardwood flooring industry.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
All different sizes and shapes.
Yep.
But you've done a lot for the sport flooring industry, correct?
Yeah, we're getting deep.
You've done OEM manufacturing, you've recovered drums for contractors. I believe, do you not even make some drums from the ground up, or have you not gotten into that yet?
We have.
Okay.
We have made some of our own OEM drums. But yeah, we do make the drums for American Sanders from the ground up.
Okay. But now you've kind of diversified here just a little bit, or offered an additional service to the industry. Can you talk about that just a little bit?
Yeah, we felt it was a really good step for us to get into maintenance of the machines, because these machines were residentially designed back in the 50s, and now they're being used for commercial sport floors where they put 10 horsepower motors, 3-phase, and they're hogging the hell out of stuff. And they get worn like crazy, and they don't get maintained, and then they don't start to work. They start to chatter, they start to fall apart, and they need that annual maintenance on the machines. And we're gonna offer that to all the gym floor guys.
So you're going to offer a service where you'll put on a recovered drum,
Yes,
put new bearings.
all new bearings,
So that's including the drum shaft and the fan bearings
and the idler,
and the idler bearings,
yes,
new belts.
new belts,
Look that machine over thoroughly,
clean it.
clean it, and then send it back to the contractor ready to sand some floors.
Absolutely.
And-
With the option of any kind of upgrades. Like, we can put a new seat on your rider. We can powder coat your machines so they look brand new. We can put a Valor motor on this thing that fits, as you taught me, it fits the machine way better than the one that comes from the company.
Correct. So anything to do with these American Sanders maintenance, you can do.
Yes.
Are you comfortable also working on Galaxies or other machines that people have?
Absolutely. I mean,
Okay.
they're all basically on the same design.
Yes.
We just decided to start with American 12s because 80% of the gym floors are getting cut by American 12.
Got it. And you have some shipping options where you can get the machines shipped in here. You
Yes.
work your magic and ship them back. So it doesn't really matter where somebody lives. You can.
Correct.
You
I mean,
could-
it only costs us $300 to get 2 pallets of machines in. We got 3 American 12s and a rider and a bunch of cords and bags and whatnot. It's $300.
It'd be $300 to send it back. So.
Correct. So $600, and that's 4 machines.
Right. So this is a service that you've just started offering, but everybody's wondering, you're trained as a mechanical engineer, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're well qualified to do this kind of thing.
I hope so.
You have lathes, you have milling machines, you have anything you would need, aluminum welders if something's busted up.
Absolutely. We have the full gamut of machinery to overhaul these machines. If we have to put a new bushing in this rear wheel, we'll do it.
Right.
We got the mills.
Somebody runs it into a wall and it needs some welding, you can help.
We got a professional welder here that is.
In fact, we have that door just handy. This is a pretty typical accident that gym floor contractors have. I have no idea what happened here. I assume you don't either, but presumably somebody hit a wall at speed
Yeah.
or dropped something on it.
Either way.
But whatever the problem is, you can get these machines repaired, powder coated, new bearings, new drum, ready to go, new belts, and ship them back to the contractor.
Absolutely.
Awesome. Jerry, it's great to be here again with you.
Thank you.
Eau Claire, Wisconsin. If somebody wants to get a hold of you, what is the phone number?
You can call 715-835-8016.
Awesome. For Western Sport Floors and Wyoming Wood Floors, coming to you from Eau Claire, Wisconsin. This is Paul Nelson. You make it a great day.